Hi guys, welcome to iMobi channel. If you have no idea to use your iPhone 13 easily and efficiently, don't miss the video. We will show 7 tips to you. Please keep watching. Tip 1. Stop apps from tracking you. You can check what is app tracking and how it works on the Apple website. In brief, if you turn on it, your activity will be analyzed for the purpose of targeted advertising or advertising measurement. So how to turn it off? Go to Settings to find Privacy. Tap on Tracking. Turn off Allow apps to request to track. Tip 2. Switch off HDR video. HDR video in iPhone 13 Pro models will take up lots of space and is not compatible with other devices. To turn it off, go to Settings to find Camera. Tap on Record Video. Find HDR video and turn off it. Tip 3. Use Live Text. Live Text is a highlight feature on iOS 15. Do you know how to use it? Open Camera and it will start to scan the text. Next, tap on the text icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then, you can copy all or selected texts and paste them anywhere you want. It also works on screenshot. Let's take a screenshot. Next, tap on the text icon at the bottom right. All texts will be scanned. You can select these texts to paste them anywhere you want. Tip 4. Tap the back to screenshot. Go to Settings to find Accessibility. Next, select Touch. Choose Back Tap. Select Double or Triple Tap as you want. Check the screenshot and done. Now, let's check whether it works or not. Tip 5. Drag to share photos. Go to Photos app. Select a photo first, tap and hold on to it. Next, tap on other photos you want to share and hold on. Use your other hand to go to Message app. Move your hand to the position and release. Next, you just need to tap on Send icon to share these photos to your friends or family. Tip 6. Check Photos metadata. You just need to select a photo on Photos app. Next, slide the screen to the top. The photo's information will be here. The last tip is to change default browser. In Settings, find Safari. Tap on Search Engine. Then, you can check the browser as you want. That's all of this video. Thanks for your watching. If you think it's useful, please like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips in the future.